Some people may make more than $50 per minute every single day from the comforts of their home. Well, it's incredible, right? You might be wondering if it is possible for you too. Of course it is! You just need to know a simple trick that you can do over and over again. It will allow you to earn more than $100 a day. Well, that trick that you can do is called typing. I know everyone is familiar with it. Even a toddler can type on the internet already. You don't need to be good at it. You just need to know how to type. Of course, you will get paid for typing things on the internet. This strategy is completely free and it is also available worldwide. You do not have to think about anything because this is a very simple technique. There is also a website that can help you double the amount of money that you can make from this. So stay tuned to know more about this amazing internet hack. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. First, you need to proceed to the website called typingtest.com. This site will allow you to test your typing skills. Do not worry because the test is really simple. It will only take you a minute to finish it. On their site, you can see the two drop-down boxes. The first box will show you the length of the test, while the second box will show you the test content. You need to take a standardized test. To do this, select the 1-minute test option and the medium text option. After that, you just need to press this button so that you can get redirected to the test page. On the test page, you just need to type the words that you see as quickly and as accurately as possible. You need to be careful because committing spelling mistakes will lower your accuracy rating. Just try to relax and do your best to get the results that we want to have. The test will begin once you start typing in the first letter of the first word. After the minute is up, you will get your results. It will be something like this. It will include your typing speed and accuracy. Now, you need to multiply the two values to get the net typing speed. At this point, it is important that you remember your net typing speed result. The said typing test result will have a huge impact on the amount of money that you can get from this site. If you think that your typing speed and accuracy is not yet satisfactory, you can take some typing courses. Just click this option so that you can view some typing courses. It will help you increase your typing speed. Of course, everyone can take these courses to improve their typing speed because a faster typing speed can potentially double the amount of money that you can make from this technique. You can take the typing test again once you're already done with the courses. Once you're already satisfied with your typing test result, you need to go to the website called rev.com. It is a website where people can sign up to be online transcribers. As background information, transcribing is the art of typing the words that you hear from a video or an audio clip. Basically, you just need to type the words that you hear from a video that you are playing. There are 3 options on their site. You can choose to do transcriptions, English captions, or foreign subtitles. The amount of money that you can earn will vary depending on the option that you will choose. If you prefer transcription jobs, then you can expect to make $1.25 per minute. The task is to do basic transcription jobs. For putting English captions, you will earn the same amount. The last option, which is foreign subtitles, will pay you the most. You can get $3 to $7 per minute with that option. However, it is also the hardest option because you need to translate an audio coming from a foreign language. You need to have some kind of expertise in another language to do that. This site is really legitimate because it has more than 170,000 clients coming from a diverse range of industries. They are also used by some known companies such as Viacom and TCM. We all know that major companies do not support scammers. Hence, we can trust this site. To register on Rev, you need to scroll down on their homepage. Then, press the Become a Freelancer button once you see it. You will get redirected to another page where you can create a free account. Just put the necessary information on it such as your full name, email address, and a unique password. The company section is optional. Hence, you can opt not to answer it. After that, make sure that you do not tick this box so that you won't receive any marketing emails. Then, agree to the terms and conditions of the site. Once you are done, just press the Create Account button. After that, you will be able to access and log in to your account. You can also start working immediately. Unfortunately, you will not always get a client on this site due to the huge volume of users. Because of that, I want to share with you the second website that only a few freelancers know about. It can offer you more job opportunities to make money online. This site is called TranscribeMe.com. It is a website that offers people various transcription jobs. Just create an account on this site. TranscribeMe will offer you an opportunity to make your career grow. They also have flexible working hours and work locations. Most importantly, they will pay you every week. In the site, you will begin to work in transcription. However, you will also gain opportunities to try other positions when you are already eligible for it. This is the sign-up form. Before you fill that out, take a look at the right side of the screen. These are just some of the most fantastic features of this site. They will let you work on your time and pace. Not just that, but they only ask you to transcribe small bits of video clips. Hence, you will not get too overwhelmed with the amount of tasks that you need to accomplish. Now, go on and sign up for this site. Just give them your name, email, and a unique password. You also need to confirm the password and give them your PayPal email address. Of course, PayPal is very accessible, so it will be a very convenient way to get paid. You also need to add your gender, work experience, and language preferences. There are lots of language options that you can choose from. You can also opt to provide the optional information that they are asking from you. Once you are done, just tick this box off and press the Create Profile button. After the registration process, you need to complete their training and to pass their exam. Once you successfully pass everything, they will contact you and they will give you your first project. There are cases when they put people into the wait list. You do not need to worry if you become included in it. This is because they process work postings fast. You will easily get your job posting soon. To summarize, you just need to find some transcription jobs and start typing its content. Once you are done, you will get paid by these amazing sites. Of course, the pay will be large and you will surely earn a lot of money from this technique. So, what are you waiting for? Start your own online money-making journey now. Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.